time is it and what time is it? Let me tell you now, it is the DW World Equity Times. From now onwards, every Monday, 9 a.m., 10 minutes is all you need to spend with us. And on every Monday morning, we're going to pick a powerful stock, and it may come from Singapore markets, Malaysia markets, Hong Kong markets, China markets, US or UK markets. And we call this the OTOP 1910. One target, one purpose, Monday, 9 a.m. and 10 minutes. Be forewarned, we are not recommending any stocks, but it could be a very powerful stocks or very potential commodity counter for that particular week. So stay tuned, and what you're going to do next is every Monday, 9 a.m., just log on and watch us. Stay tuned and be our friend. I'll be right back. Once again, we are back here for OTOP 55, and this is for the week 23rd August year 2021. So this is a Monday morning 9 a.m. again. Welcome all of you for watching OTOP episode 55. As we move on, we would like to express that this week is going to be a difficult week because last week we actually recommended all of you to take a look at Hong Kong stock 0358. That is a Jiangxi Copper, that is a state enterprise gold mining company of China that is listed in Hong Kong, and the prices actually came off from $16 Hong Kong dollars down to about $13.50 if I remember correctly. Alright, if you have an appetite to hold on onto a midterm period for these stocks, yes, you would do it, you would love to do it, and you may do it, but for those people who think you want to cut loss half of it, well, by all means go ahead. But we are still very confident of the possibility of gold prices, metals, and all the metal mining listed companies is going to turn up shortly in this 1 month. Alright, and well, the reason why we are confident and we are still looking at mining companies going up is basically we are expecting this week the US government, President Biden, will roll out the infrastructure bill that was passed by the bipartisan Senate parties on last month, and this is the news here. Alright, it seems like there's a delay. Pelosi sets October 1st to be the target date to roll out this infrastructure stimulus package, which it should be out currently at this time before the end of August. Alright, you might actually want to read out this news, but then again, when Pelosi sets October target as the deadline, that could also mean the stimulus package may be out anytime before 1st October. Alright, so once the stimulus package is out, alright, what we're going to expect is a weakening dollar, which will actually lift up the commodity prices, starting from the gold mining stock, spot gold prices, silver, copper, and the rest of the commercial non-ferro metals. Alright, okay, and if I scroll down here and if you take a look at this, alright, prior to the 1st of October, besides the $1 trillion US stimulus package, there is another 3.5 trillion budget, alright, which must be rolled out before the end of September in order to prevent the fiscal cliff that is going to happen in the US government operating budget. So from August to September will be a very crucial month because we're expecting US dollar to fall. And taking a look at this US dollar chart, okay, dollar index, last week, the reason why gold mining stocks are coming down is because of a strengthening dollar that you are seeing here. Alright, but then again, if you look at the spot gold prices, well, we are happy to see that actually gold prices did not come down as much. Alright, if we look at this, and gold prices have been trading firm, although below the 1,800 US dollars per ounce benchmark, but it is actually holding on strong into the region of 1780. Alright, so this week, frankly, it is a very tough week because as dollar is strengthening, there's no reason we want to recommend anyone to look at gold prices, crude oil, commodity stocks. All this will be out. And Dow Jones has been starting to go on a little bit of correction last week. Okay, and this week we are not looking at Dow Jones to be very strong. But of course, when the new stimulus rolled out anytime, which is going to be in September, we are going to see a new high in S&P, in Dow Jones, and Nasdaq. But as of now, all right, everything is going sideways. So this week for OTOP 55, 23rd August year 2021 is the first week we are actually encountering a very tough challenge, because across the sectors, whether it is bank shares, fintech, or commodity stocks, or service sector, everything looks like going sideways or not going on the firm side. But eventually, all right, that's the good news, we have actually targeted a good stocks that we want all of you to take a look, and it may actually bring you some happiness this week, and that's for OTOP 55. Stay tuned with us. Okay, as we know, when commodity stocks are going down, everything is going jittery this week, especially on the week of 23rd August year 2021. all right. One thing that could be coming up and firm, it could be the cryptos. All right, 2 weeks ago, remember, in OTOP 53, I remember we were talking about Ethereum, and I'm happy that we received a lot of good feedback and people have been making good profits in Ethereum. So this week we are not going to recommend any stake in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptos, but we want you to take a look at this crypto exchange listed company in New York that is known as Coinbase. All right, at last we found one. Okay, Coinbase was just listed not too long ago. All right, in April. That was just about 4 months ago, and the market actually came off as the crypto prices went into correction. So Coinbase prices came off from about $420, $422, down to about $205. That's about 50% correction, so it's pretty good. So for this stock, it's very simple. All right, as long as we see the crypto prices recovering and going up, the revenue of the trading fee in Coinbase will be expanding. All right, and Coinbase is one of the biggest crypto exchange in the world. All right, among all the biggest player, and that's a good bet as long as we are looking at a rising crypto prices, whether it is in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple, or Polkadot. All right, so this week what we are looking here is a beginning of an upsurge in Coinbase, which could be very likely because the crypto prices are beginning to rise. All right, on Friday closing, the price was $257. Okay, I suggest that be a little bit patient. I think probably over Monday or Tuesday, there could be a possibility if you want to find an entry about $250 per unit share price. That is 250. Okay, looking at the 4-hour chart here. All right, the different time scale here also shows that the momentum is just about to turn into positive once it crosses the zero line. All right, so Coinbase is something that we want to take a closer look and observe this. Of course, once we see the upsurge and the prices begin to move, especially if it goes above 260 or 270. If you look at this benchmark here, $280, I think confirmation is an uprising trend in Coinbase. Okay, for this day chart, I think it's pretty impressive and a very nice pattern of a channel here. Okay, on the channel support line, which is the parallel here on the resistance line on the top side. So we are looking at a lot of room for Coinbase Global that is listed in Nasdaq USA. So this week, OTOP 55 here for the week 23rd August year 2021. DW World Equity Time is again giving you a very good tip, and look into this stock and write down whatever comments you have with us, and we shall come back again on next Monday 9 a.m. Singapore time, Hong Kong time, and we shall be waiting.